There's too many leeches, too many secrets, too many trying to preach us. I mean they trying to reach us, but they can't keep up. They got their hands out, but they're supreme up. At my table with their feet up, trying to eat up, man. It's time to clean up. Too many distractions, trying to get a reaction. When things weren't adding up, I started subtracting and started relaxing. No more overreacting. A lot of y'all say that y'all happy, but y'all just overly acting. Praying on my downfall, they hella waited. Instead I levitated. They got the news, they devastated. That's when I knew I elevated. They mad my life and celebrated. Took a deep breath and meditated. Sober, but I'm feeling like I'm medicated. I've been chillin' like a villain, y'all stealing like a villain. Trying to play victim, story still ends like a villain. I put my hands to the ceiling, y'all stealing y'all feelings. Next time I won't be so forgiving. No more hesitation, it's time for elevation. No more explanations, straight to my destination. It's my revelation.